I'll show you how to hide someone's Instagram notes. So let's jump in. Now, if you open up Instagram on your iPhone or Android, you can navigate to the notes by tapping on the messages at the bottom. And here you can see is my note and someone else's note, my other account essentially. I can tap on it and it shows me this person's note. However, let's say I don't want to see when they post a note. Either I can hide their notes or I can hide my notes from them. To hide their notes, I'm going to press and hold on it, and then just tap on the mute option and mute. Essentially, they'll go away if you refresh here, and you won't see that. However, let's say I wanted to hide my note. All I need to do is go through and create a new note. Let's just say hi again, something random. And instead of share with friends, we're going to choose to share this with close friends. And on here, we can select everybody, all of your friends on Instagram, go through the list, select all of them, except that one person that you don't necessarily want to share that note with.